Consumer Cellular makes it easy to cancel your plan online through their app or website. To cancel via the app, available on iOS and Android, log into your account. Navigate to Account or Manage Plan, select Cancel Plan, and follow the prompts. You'll receive a confirmation number, and your service ends immediately. To cancel via the web, log in at consumercellular.com. Go to My Account Greater Than Plan Details, select Cancel Plan, and enter the required details. Verify via two-factor authentication. An email confirmation will be sent. Canceling digitally is free. Calling customer service at 1-888-345-509 incurs a $5 fee. As of October 2025, these digital methods are the quickest and most convenient ways to cancel. Consumer Cellular provides prorated refunds for unused services when you cancel. Refunds are typically processed within 3 to 5 business days to your original payment method. Note that a 10% processing fee applies for balances under $10. You won't receive refunds for taxes or device subsidies. If you're porting your number to a new carrier, make a separate request to avoid delays. Also, be aware that prepaid plans auto-renew unless canceled. To ensure a smooth cancellation, confirm your cancellation via email and be mindful of any outstanding balances. Consumer Cellular's refund policies are designed to be transparent, but it's always best to understand the specifics to avoid surprises.